Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to convert between DMS, right, and decimal degrees. And remember, DMS stands for degree, minute, second. Okay, so let's get practice. Turn that off. So let's get practice kind of going back and forth between the two. Okay, so if we recall, we want to remember our rules for how to convert. So we have to remember that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, we also know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, right? So remember that this is degree, this is minute, right? This is minute, and this is seconds. And then from here, we can also say that 1 minute is 1/60th of a degree. We can also say that 1 second is 1/60th of a minute. We can also say that it's 3,600th of a degree. So this will help us kind of figure out back and forth what to do. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is let's convert it to degrees. So let's say convert to degrees, right? So if I have 40 degrees and 38 minutes and 12 seconds, what I want to do is I want to focus on the 40, so 40 will stay alone. And then I'm going to take the 38 minutes, and so that would be 38 over 60, right? 60 over 60 would give us 1 whole degree. And then I'm going to take my 12, and I'm going to divide it by 3,600, right? So let's come over to my calculator and check it out. So 38 divided by 60, right? It's going to get us 0.633, so plus 0.633. Again, it has a bar over it, so we can't obviously write out all the 3's, but we can do our best. And then we're going to say 12 divided by 3,600, and again we get 0.003. So 0.003, again with the bar over it, and this is 40. And we're just going to add all those numbers up, right? So if I add 0.033 with 0.6333, and then we can add it to the 40 that we already have here, we get 40.636. And again, we don't have to worry about the rest of the numbers because it's a rough estimate. So again, this is roughly 40.636. All right, let's try another one. So I'm going to say 18 degrees. Let's say 10 minutes and 45 seconds. So again, I'm going to take the 18, leave it alone, and take the 10 minutes, and not divided by 100, sorry, divided by 60, and then I'm going to take my 45 and divide it by 3,600, right? So again, 10 divided by 60 gives us 0.166 with a bar over it. 45 divided by 3,600 gives us 0.0125. So again, 0.166, 0.025. Oh, sorry, 125. Sorry, 125. And then we're going to add these up. So we're going to say plus, and then I'm going to say plus that, and then plus our 18. And it gives us about 18.179. Right, 18.179. So again, remember that these are all now decimal degrees, so we no longer have minutes or seconds. Okay. So what happens if we want to convert? So let's convert to DMS, right? Degrees, minutes, and seconds. Okay. So here's what our problem looks like. So here's our first problem. So we have 59.0854 degrees. Okay, so what do we know right now? We know that we have exactly 59 degrees and some change. So for sure we have 59 degrees. But then we have this leftover business. So what we want to do is this is the start of a minute because it's not a whole degree. So what we're going to do is we are going to use this kind of idea that 60 minutes equals 1 degree. And we're going to do this. We're going to say 0.0854, and I'm going to multiply it by 60 degrees, or 60 minutes. So we come over here, so 0.0854 times 60, and we get 5.124. So we get 59 degrees, and now this is 5.124 minutes. So again, what do we want to focus on? We want to focus on the full minute. All right. So then what we want to do is we want to take this guy right here, and this is part of your seconds. Okay. So unlike the other problem, we do have to break this up into many problems. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 0.124, and we're going to multiply that by 60 seconds. So I'm going to say 0.124, multiply that by 60, and I get 7.44. So this will be 59 degrees, 5 minutes, and 7.44 seconds. Something that I want you to always remember is we are going to round our seconds to the nearest second. So 7.44 is below 0.5. So this one is going to say is 59 degrees, 5 minutes, and about 7 seconds. So unlike the other one where we could do all of this in one go and just add all these up, you do have to take this apart. First, we have to convert our degrees to our minutes. Okay, and then we have to convert the rest of our minutes back to our seconds. So let's try another one. All right, so let's try 122.6853 degrees. So again, I'm going to take 122 degrees, and I'm going to multiply it by 6853 by my 60 minutes. So I'll come back over here. So 0.6853 times 60. So I get 41.118. So 122, 41.118 minutes. Again, what am I going to do? I'm going to take the 41 minutes, and I'm going to multiply 0.118 again by 60. So 0.118, multiply that by 60, and we're going to get 7.02. So 122 degrees, 41 minutes, 08 seconds. Again, we're going to round to the nearest second. So our correct answer should be 7 seconds. All right. And that's how we convert back and forth between DMS, degrees, minutes, seconds, and decimal degrees or decimal degrees to this.